Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix how to solve Wechat uh, access failure. To know how to fix or how to solve how to fix how to solve Wechat server access failure, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you'll enter to the window of Wechat. Here in this page of app and for we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Wechat. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.